What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. I have an excellent stream prepared for you. We're going to go through the setups today. We're going to talk about the market outlook and what I see on SPY going forward. I do think things are going to get really volatile into going to the end of the week. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let's do some shout outs. Who do we have in the building? We have Candace. What's going on? Dr. D, Trading Wars Army, SDK, Johnny, Gus, Omar, Sunrise, Hillbilly, Bill, Wesley, Omar again, Briggs, Terry, Tyrone, Worldwide, Janice, Anthony, Chachanzer, Trading Wars Army, McDowell, Doug, Anthony, here to win big, Jay Sosa, T. Boom. Got a lot of people in the building today. Proc, what's going on? Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear, and let's get right into this. Okay, so if we just take a second to look at the daily chart for SPY, we have this powerful outside bar close. Okay, so let's talk about how we got there today first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the replay, and we are going to walk through the trades today, give you guys some step-by-step on what we did. So the first thing to notice is the previous day's high is right around here. So that first 3-minute bar of the day, what do we have here, my friends? Is this a gap up or a gap down? Hit me with a 1 for gap up, hit me with a 2 for gap down. So you could see right here, guys, we have gapped up actually very significantly this morning. So we gapped up above Tuesday's high as well as Monday's high. So we gapped up above 2 days highs. Okay, so let's talk about the psychology. So first thing is we could see that there were bullish buying happening on Tuesday, and we can also see a rally for the bulls on Monday. So if you were a bull at the beginning of the week, how would you be feeling on this gap up? What do you guys think? Hit me with a 10 if you think you'll be feeling good. And the trick here, guys, is we understand that there could be a lot of profit taking happening here. Okay, there could be a lot of profit taking happening here because of the fact that people have been swing trading this. So what do we do? Well, we can't just guess which direction it's going to go. Instead, we use our textbook opening range breakout strategy, which is the first 3-minute candle. We're going to mark the high, right, like this. And we're going to mark the low of the candle, and we're going to take whichever side breaks is the entry we are going to take. So if it breaks the high, we're going to go long. If it breaks the low, we're going to go short. So what we're doing here, my friends, is trading pure price action. And if you go to the resources page, tradingwars.com, Day Trading University Part 2 Scalping, this is the free lesson we have here on the opening range breakout. Okay, so this is the perfect scenario for an opening range breakout, right? Because we have this big gap up here, and then we know it's going to be volatile. We know there could be some profit taking, or there could be a huge squeeze. So what do? We look at the first 3-minute bar here, say if it breaks the high, we're going to go long. If it breaks the low, we're going to go short. Hit me with the 4 if you're following me so far. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Discord, and I'll show you the live commentary. Good morning, friends. Gap up here. Let's be ready. Watching the 3-minute orb to start off. No break of the orb yet. Still waiting. Short orb. So we entered the short at 9:38, and then we just smashed our targets, guys. This one was extremely fast. So let's go ahead and play through the price action. Boom. So let's stop right there. What's going on now? Okay, this is the part where I had a feeling this could be a bull trap. So in the morning we had a bull trap. A bull trap is when we gap up, we have a bullish first candle. It looks like we're gonna go to the moon, and right in this area is where the rookies start buying, because they say, okay, you know what? I'm gonna overpay for calls because I'm FOMO. I'm missing out on this huge move. The market is gonna rally. So that's where the market looks to punish through psychology. So we have this tight inside bar. So this inside bar is a sign that we are slowing down. We're slowing down. The momentum is slowing. But I didn't go short right here. I waited for this line to break. Okay. So just to be extra cautious. And then boom, boom. There we go. See that, guys? So that was a textbook bull trap opening range breakout in the morning. Take a picture of this one, guys. This was a great example of how we use the orb. Okay. So hit me with a 2 if that makes sense, and that all looks great. Okay. So we had that first 3-minute bar. Inside bar, boom. If you went short on this inside bar, you would have made so much money. But I wanted to be conservative because sometimes these inside bars in the early morning might be a fake out. So I just waited for that low to break instead. And then you can see here, target smash, target hit. Okay, so we had a trifecta today. So what is a trifecta? So trifecta is when we have 3 successful trades back to back. Okay. So now what I'm going to show you, my friends, is our long trigger. So for a lot of people in the Discord, they, especially those that are working full-time jobs, we have automated trading plans where you can set them the night before. So our long entry from last night was, you can see yesterday, was 411.95. So let's go ahead and put that line in here. Okay, so let's take this line, horizontal line, 411.95 right there. So this is where we wanted to go long. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the tool out. Going long. This is our risk to reward setup. So we hit this, we got filled, okay? And then immediately, guys, we pop right back up and hit our target, okay? So did take a little bit of heat on this, but eventually got our target, okay? So that, my friends, is the long trigger. That's what we call automated here. You could see 411.95 is the entry, stop loss 411.56, target 412.33, and options 412 calls if you want to do fully automated. Hit me with a 2 if you're following me. And then from there, we went into a fib. So can't really ask for a better picture perfect day than this, because after that, guys, our last setup that we took in the morning, Fibonacci from our high to our low, and we're just focusing on the 618. So there's our short. Here's our stop loss at the top. Okay. Then you can see from here, guys, we came in, rejected that 618, straight back down into a new low. Very good. Very, very, very good. Okay. This was a really nice. So that's the trifecta right there. All right. So we had the opening range breakout into the long trigger into the fib. That is basically all 3 of my systems, a triangle system, just working. And it's very rare to have all 3 work in the same day, but I was really blessed to have this today. So really excited to share this with you. Can you set up a stop loss on the same automated order? Yes, you can. With shares, you can. With futures, you can. Yes, sir. Okay. So from here, I didn't take any more trades here, but I wanted to show you the price action so we can continue. So when we have a 618 reversal, what is the key areas where we can see the bulls step in? Okay. So I want to see if you guys have been studying along. So here was our push down. Okay. We pulled into the 618. What's the key area of reversal? So where is this leg, the short, where is it looking to be completed? So it's looking to be completed right here, guys, between the 272 down to the 618. This is the completion zone. So what we're expecting is it to come down into this box, okay, and then pop right back up. And you can see it did, right? So, and then from there, guys, it went all the way back up here. So that is the key as well. If you're looking to catch the bottom, then you want to use the extensions like this. That's the zone. And you could see over here, guys, what pattern did we have here? So if you guys have the book, you'll see on, I think it's page 48 for the Fibonacci book. You see page 48, candlestick confirmation. Watch this. So in this area, guys, we had a double inside bar. All right. So in the reversal area, we had a double inside bar. So what does that mean? Okay. Look at this. The price action is getting tighter and tighter. So what you do with this type of trade is you take the breakout of the second inside bar. Okay. So your entry is right above that bar right there, and you can have a really tight stop loss. Just put your stop loss right down here. So that was a really nice trade as well. Beautiful one. All right. So we had that double inside bar pattern on the 5-minute. Hit me with the 10 if you guys understand what I'm saying. Okay. And then, oops, deleted everything. And then from there, guys, we had one more fib leg. Was not involved in this trade, but it was a really clean day. So this concept right here, guys, is called the sequence leg right here, page 37. So from here now, once we completed this move, this high becomes our anchor. So we're going to take that Fibonacci from the high to low. I don't know why it's not coming up. From high to low. So you can see we rejected the 618 one more time here. And then we came all the way down and made a new low again. Okay. But the one thing that I wanted to show you guys with this is a really dangerous trade, because check this out. So not only did this leg went 618 extension, but this leg, the bigger leg, I'm going to take it from high to low. This leg, I'm going to draw this one in red. Okay. There, red. This one came back to the 50% retracement. Okay. So you guys see that? Hit me with a 2 if you see that. So what I'm trying to show you here is this is actually a very crazy trade, Because the 50% of this big leg lined up with the 618 of the smaller leg. So we had a kill zone. That's what we call a kill zone, when we have double Fibonacci stacking on each other there, okay? And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave on the big fib, okay? I'm going to leave on the big fib because what you'll see here, guys, is we went down to the 272 again, and that's where our final reversal spot was. So I kind of got goosebumps today trading, because every single thing we talk about, guys, look again at this 272 extension, there was an inside bar. Every single thing that we talk about and we learn together as a community, it worked today. So there was so much ways to make money. Someone tweeted at me and said they made 40% of their account in one day. So I'm really happy to share this with you guys, and it was a beautiful trifecta day. All right. So hit me with a 15 if that was awesome. That was awesome, guys. I really, really liked this today, because not only could you play the reversal, but you could also play the extension if you wanted to catch the falling knife. Catching the falling knife could be extremely profitable when using the options, because of the fact that with all this red coming, guys, the calls are going to be cheaper. So, and you can have a very tight risk. You don't have to take too much risk here, because you have this inside bar on the 272. So you just take the break. And then if it doesn't work, if it turns around and breaks the low, you kill it. You don't have to sit into it, okay? And then the last thing I just wanted to show you guys was on the 3-minute chart today, the trading wars patterns, how beautiful they work today, okay? So here's the 3-minute chart. We have a Nirvana pattern, which is an inside outside. So you take a break above the high, that was a winner. Then we had a Holy Grail outside inside, short below the low, winner. Another Nirvana, short below the low, winner. So the fractals, do not forget about the fractals. How you get the fractals, if you buy any one of my 3 books, you get those fractal indicators for life. Okay, so you get the Nirvana and the Golden, and those are really good. So if you want to just limit your risk to 1 or 2 bars, then you use those fractals, you use those confirmation candles. I really think with option playing, if you guys are going to hit options hard, use the candlestick approach and just say, hey, there's my inside outside, here's my outside bar at the 272 extension, at the 618, and take those plays. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. Okay. I'm really happy to see that we have over 100 people here today. So please stick around to the end, and I will do a giveaway. As long as we stay above 100, I will do a giveaway at the end of the stream for just thanking you guys for giving me your time. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do now is a market outlook and update, and then we will wrap this up. Okay. So just again, we're going to go back to the daily chart, and you can see, guys, this was a devastating range today. All right, so we started off in the morning with a bull trap, right? The bears took over, but then once the bulls got a point where they were happy with, they ran that right back up. So this right here, guys, creates an outside bar, okay? Because we broke the high and the low of the previous day. Look at this outside bar. This is a very powerful outside bar because it has a huge long hammer wick, okay? So it's powerful in 2 ways. It's powerful that if we get momentum overnight with futures, we can just run it up, right? But it's also very powerful because think about how much stop losses are in this bar. Okay, there's a lot of stop losses in this bar. So if we start making a candle like this here, guys, and start coming through like that, it could be extremely devastating, and we can get a stop run. And that might be the next move on this type of push that goes straight down like this. Okay, so that's my outlook. Hit me with the 15 if that makes sense. Thank you so much for your valuable info. I am a new trader and learning a lot. Thank you, brother. Yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Helps me out a lot. Okay, so that's my outlook right here. Let's look at the futures market right now. Okay, so we closed right around here. Okay, we opened back, and currently we're rallying to the upside. So this, we may end up gapping up tomorrow if we continue this rally. So let's just pay attention and let's just focus on that. Okay, so I'm going to wait for the open, Anthony. I'm going to wait for the open to see my setups. Like if there's an opening range breakout, just like today. So, my key for day trading is, don't have a bias. You play the price action, right? So the first thing we did was the opening range breakout, shorted. Then we had the long trigger, winner. Then we had the fib. And then that's the way that I like to play it, just because I want to trade the price action. Everything else can put you in trouble if you have a bias. All right. The last thing I want to say, guys, is one Trading Wars Army member away from our 5 goal right now. So I'm looking for one person to join the army, and then I will do a live trading session on Friday, like I did last week and the week before. So if you guys are watching this video right now and you're interested, just click on this video. I'm looking for one more person to join the Trading Wars Army. Click that join button. $4.99 a month. And what I do for the YouTube community is I post special content every single day. I could show you guys. And I also do special swing trades, and I do certain things for the community. So I would really, if you guys want me to go live, let's get that one more member. Just because, guys, I'm not, I don't really care about the $4.99, but I've seen a real huge drop in my analytics. And I think this way, if I have more members, it's going to help me to kind of spark the algorithm again. Okay. So let me just go ahead and show you my post right here. I'll show you this, create post. 1 second. All right. So right here, guys, you'll see for the under the membership, if you click on that, you'll see all the picks that I post every single day. These are special exclusive picks, swing trades, different things like that. All right. While we're here, why don't we look at the weekly chart? Let's see. So remember we had that double outside bar on the weekly. Hey, there we go. Right there. Revenge Buddha. You are the 5th man of the army for the week. Let's welcome Revenge Buddha with TW Army Spy VIP. We will be live trading on Friday, guys. Thank you, Revenge. And we will do Tesla, Spy, the Qs, anything you guys want. Okay. Yeah. So just look at this double outside bar again. So we're still in the range. So there is a chance for some huge volatility in the next few days. Let's look at the open tomorrow, and then let's see what we're going to trade and how we're going to trade it. And I'm going to post some free picks for you guys. Just comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your time, my friends. I very much enjoy your time. Let's do one giveaway right now just to show the support for you guys in the chat. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, I want to pick somebody in the chat. So what I'm going to do is this. So I'm thinking of a number in my head, and I'm going to give you guys a disclaimer, because every time I see the number first on my screen, someone else said, oh, I see it differently on their screen. Okay. I promise you guys, I'm not rigging this. All right. But I just want to make sure it's somebody in this group right here that came out. Okay. Hey, Rich, I just signed up for Spy Premium. Is it possible to get accepted? Yes, sir. We will get that done, my brother. All right. My number is between 1 and 15. Hey, Seth, welcome to Trading Wars Army, my brother. Appreciate you. Let's welcome Seth, TW Army Spy VIP. Go ahead. Shoot me your numbers between 1 and 15. Okay. The first number that I see that is the number I'm thinking of, I will pick that. All right. Okay. I haven't seen it yet. Not seen it yet. Nope. Still didn't see it. I just want to do it this way. Normally, guys, I just pick a comment from one of my posts, but I want to make sure that I get somebody in this chat today for your time. Someone said 33. I don't know if that's between 1 and 15. There we go. Boom. Sujal, my brother. That was the first number 50. I'm going to go back up and just make sure I didn't see anything else. But I'm just looking right now. Yep. Nope, guys. This is the first number 50, and I see on my screen. I'm being completely honest with you guys. All right. Don't think this is a scam or something, guys. All right. Number 15, Sujal, you are the winner, my brother. I think you just messaged and said that you subscribed, right? So what we'll do is we'll put you for 1 month in the stock room as well. So you'll have both. All right. You'll have the spy and you'll have the stock for 1 month there, brother. Okay. Thank you. See, everybody always says they put 15 after. Okay, guys. This is the last time I'm going to pick the numbers from the chat, because I feel like every time you guys look it on your screen, it's different than what I see on my screen. All right. So next time we're going to do just going to make you guys leave a comment on one of the videos. All right. So let's do a giveaway on Friday as well during the live stream. Just remind me, please, on the Friday, I will do another giveaway on the live stream. Okay. And don't worry, guys, more giveaways to come. We don't have a lot of people, we don't have 100,000 people here, guys. So it's a better chance to get a Trading Wars giveaway than it is to win the lottery. All right. So that's pretty encouraging. Okay. Thanks so much again. Comment, like, subscribe. See you again tomorrow, or maybe I won't do tomorrow since we're doing Friday. I'll just do the Friday live stream. So be ready. Bring your notepads. Check me out at tradingwars.com. As always, guys, consider grabbing a copy of our book. We're still running the book deal as long as the Day Trading University is going on. So instead of 1 month for free, you'll get 2 months, 60 days in the Discord. Come trade with us live. You get access to our Fibonacci bot and everything else. Or you can sign up right here on the main page. So the 4.99 is just the YouTube content. It's not the Discord. So the YouTube has certain picks and setups that are separate from the Discord. Okay. A lot of swing trades and different things like that. That's it, guys. I'm out. Thank you so much. Take care.